Top 5 Best Commercial Treadmills. Number 5. Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. If space is a serious struggle for you and your home gym setup, consider this 2-in-1 folding treadmill option from Goplus. When the handlebar panel is in the folded position, you can walk on the treadmill up to 2.5 miles per hour, making it an excellent portion of a treadmill desk setup. Then, when the handlebar panel is up, you can run on the treadmill up to 7.5 miles an hour. Meanwhile, the 2.25 horsepower ensures that the shock-absorbing belt runs smoothly and very quietly, as to not disrupt any neighbors or others sharing your space with you. The belt is on the smaller side, but that's to be expected from a compact model intended for limited spaces. Bluetooth connectivity also makes it easy to enjoy your music or watch your favorite show while you walk. Coming in number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 7515 Smart Treadmill. Who says you can't find a solid treadmill at an affordable price? This pick from Sunny Health and Fitness is one of the more lightweight options on the list, but its 2.2 horsepower motor will get you up to 8 miles an hour and hold steady for workout after workout. It can reach an incline of 12%, and while slightly narrow for smaller spaces, it is plenty long for both runners and power walkers to use comfortably. It can support a maximum capacity of 240 pounds, and it folds up and rolls away for easy storage when not in use. What's more, its Bluetooth connectivity allows you to sync your smart devices for effective workout tracking and blast your favorite workout tunes straight from the treadmill's built-in speakers. Coming in number 3. PROFORM 905 CST Treadmill. The PROFORM 905 CST is the top-of-the-line machine in the 4-machine CST line. It offers a lower price than most competitors on this list, and it makes our list as a commercial machine since the 3.0 continuous horsepower motor is rated as commercial grade and it operates smoothly and it's relatively cool. The 300 pounds capacity is ample for most users and the frame comes with a 10-year warranty. The 20 by 60 inches belt gives users a commercial-sized deck and it features a self-cooling drive system. A proprietary ProShokes cushioning system and balanced non-flex rollers are standard. The mill folds using a space-saver design, and it can give you a sustained speed of 12 miles per hour on a 0 to 12% incline. iFit can be used to automatically adjust the parameters of your machine for an optimized custom cardio workout. As with all iFit-equipped machines, you can travel the world to thousands of destinations for a more interesting routine. The 30 onboard workouts should keep you busy and well satisfied with this affordable, commercial-grade machine. Pros: very good price compared to other commercial treadmills. iFit compatible. Large belt for an economically priced machine. Best machine in the PROFORM CST line. Can be folded to save space. 12 miles per hour speed limit. Ample 300 pounds weight capacity. Cons: not as robust and rugged construction as other commercial machines, for twice the price. Slightly less extravagant options, just barely, like an incline to 12% rather than 15% and a 3 continuous horsepower motor instead of a 3.5 or 4.0 continuous horsepower motor, etc. Coming in number 2. NORDIC Track Commercial Series Treadmill. NORDIC Track is another name that is synonymous with quality and overall durability. This machine has some very cool features that deserve to be known at least, and utilized at best. Through its 10-inch interactive HD touchscreen, you'll have the option of any of 16,000 on-demand iFit workouts. Live instructors can control your speed and incline in real time for personal workouts and offer live encouragement. You'll be able to work out in any number of locations worldwide through the screen and focus on goals like cross-training, yoga and full-body sculpting. That's insane. In a good way, of course. This is one awesome machine and we're struggling to find any downside. Don't worry, we'll do the research to extract some bad stuff, I'm sure. It has a 300 pounds capacity, a generous 22 by 60 inches belt area and commercial-grade cushioning. Oh, and did I mention the 10-year frame warranty? Pros: option of over 16,000 workouts. Live instructor training option, they can change resistance and incline in real time. Large belt to help keep you on the treadmill. -3% to 15% incline option. Can track your progress effectively. Very well built structurally, hence the 10-year guarantee. Cons. Takes quite a while to put together. Be careful of the free iFit option some users have been charged. Coming in number 1. Nautilus Treadmill Series. Obviously, the Nautilus name strikes a familiar tone with anyone reading this post, so I don't have to tell you about this brand's renowned name and reputation worldwide. That said, a name is not everything, so we should be careful in assessing the qualities of a treadmill on its own merit and not on a name alone. The two treadmills included in this overview are the Nautilus T616 and T618. The difference between them is minimal, as is the price. They feature Bluetooth connectivity that syncs with the Nautilus Trainer 2 app as well as other fitness tracking apps. The Run Social app is free to download and allows you to run through 19 locations with 27 routes alongside people from all over the world in real time. The incline is 15% maximum and the running path is 20 by 60 inches. You have the option of any one of 26 customized training programs. The only real difference between the two is that the 616 has a slightly different LCD display and a different deck cushion system. The belt thickness is smidgen more on the slightly pricier T618. Both have tons of features and very beefy rollers to extend belt life. The deck is well cushioned to alleviate shin/knee problems, and this is confirmed by lots of feedback to both Amazon and Nautilus. Pros. Sturdy, solid and well made. Huge name brand in the fitness equipment industry. Filled with features. 3.5 horsepower motor. 350 pounds capacity. Beefy rollers. Wireless chest strap, heart rate monitor, is included. Cons. Does not connect with smartphones. Controls are not as intuitive as some would like.